Dakam J. Balatong Integrated High School. Inka mag-conduct makunkuna nga Career Development Support Program. Dito nakipag-tie up kami iti Department of Education ta peso lawag mapan kami iti isiskwela nga of offerting grade 10 and 12 ta inka mag-discuss dete pati careers da kuma in the future. Okay, and this is and the CDSP, the modules come from DOLE. It was prepared by DOLE, and we have to trickle it down to our students so that they will be guided in the future no anamet careers da. So we will be discussing these hard to fill jobs and at puso nga jobs based on the World Economic Forum reports and the International Labor Organizations. I hope that you can join us tapnon makita yun no anati Ocobra and ti peso. Actually not only peso lawag but all the pesos in peso managers in Ilocos Norte conduct the CDSP. So